YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have a good one. This is coming from Dream. Ooh la la. We all have dreams. Now this is something special. Here we go. It is a DREAME R10 pure cordless stick vacuum. Super powerful. Super easy to install and set up. Spring cleaning. Full effect right now. Here we go. Whoa. R10 pure cordless stick vacuum. Ooh la la. Now, let's see if this is better than the Shark. You can go in the crevice with the crevice cleaner. Easy to dump. There's a little chute and shoots out the bottom. Easy to clean. Powerful suction with LED lights. 120 AW. Ooh. Carpet, wood, and tiles. So, here we go. There's 120 AW suction, 60-minute runtime, 99.9% filtration, swappable battery pack. Look at the two eyes. So it should be easy one to put together right about now. So here's inside the box, you get the crevice cleaner, you get some screws probably to mount it, you got the charger, the manual, and all comes out right about now. As you can see, you got the power adapter with the manual, and then here's the main unit, the suction cup, or the suction where all the garbage goes into. I'll show you guys in a second. And there's the bottom. There's the cleaning tools. There's the stick. And you got the screws and the mounting bracket. So easy peasy install. You're going to see it up right at now. Alright guys, here it is. See, power adapter, mounting bracket, screws, and the stick. Really nice color. Cleaning tools. Here's the brush. You can see, really nice. This thing's going to suck up everything, you know. It is good. Here's the lights where they're at. The front part looking good, looking good. Got the wheels of steel. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So easy swap, put together. Switch in and out with the crevice, like so. See this part? You want to stick it in, right so. Match it up. Match it up. Bumbleclad. And you can see the two holes and two prongs at the bottom. Make sure it's lined up. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but see like that. Then you can see the name, Innovation Lab. Once you lock it in, you'll have it to click, and if you want to swap out, all you gotta do is press that button. It's like a bazooka. And of course, you want the attachment for do the ground. We'll just do a sample on the ground. Everybody should know how to use the couch cleaner or the crevice cleaner. So, but we'll do this simple, easy peasy. Be back. Let's make sure you line it up. Same thing. And we're good to go now. Okay, right here you can see to the max, low. Oh, look at that. I already got some stuff. Oh, a dog here. Super low. We'll do. All I gotta do is squeeze the trigger right there. Bam! You can see the battery life right there. Bam. look at that. I like how it does the perfect groove. Look at that. Dang, this is a nice one, guys. Uh-oh. Dead battery already. Shoot. Alright, I'm going to show you how to empty it. See it disconnect? You just got to push that button and lift up. Here we go. You can see right there, it got some hair and everything. And see that little button right there? You're going to press that. Everything's going to drop. Oh, you missed it. See, everything dropped. Clean, pretty good. And now, all you gotta do is throw it back on the charge. It'll be good to go. I just wish I had more juice. But yeah, I'm gonna charge this up for the Instagram and TikTok. So check them out, guys. Link down below. Amazon, all that goodies. Be safe.